Hey there, welcome back. This is the moment your soul awaits for. You exist in a remarkable era, one where cosmic cycles align, energies converge, and limitless possibilities unfold before you. The universe pulsates with a profound truth, a sacred resonance woven into the fabric of existence, carried by every atom, every star, and every breath. This message is not exclusive to you. It is a universal call, a whispering, an echo that urges awakening within every soul. You are the receiver, the messenger, the teacher, the student, all at once. The very elements composing your being once burned in celestial forages, scattered throughout the cosmos before forming you. With every inhale, you draw in the wisdom of ancient force, the signs of ancestors, and the dreams of generations yet to come. The illusion of separation between people, nations, and nature is unraveling. In the stillness of your awareness, you perceive synchronicities once dismissed as mere chance, now recognized as guiding forces. The universe invites you to awaken, to remember the sacred truth. You are not merely from the same source. You are the source. This understanding is the foundation upon which all else rests. Pause, absorb, and internalize this truth. Feel its rhythm in your pulse, its resonance in your heartbeat. The time for passive longing has ended. Stepping into this truth requires courage. The courage to see clearly, to feel deeply, and to act with purpose. The world does not transform itself. It requires conscious co-creation. This is a time of alignment, where every action should serve the highest good. True courage is neither loud nor destructive. It is quiet, steady, and constructive. It does not seek to dominate, it harmonizes. You are called to express, to create, to lead with authenticity. Your light will guide those still caught in the fog. Never underestimate the power of a single word spoken in truth. It can unravel centuries of falsehood.
That another way is possible.
A single act of kindness can dismantle deep-rooted despair. The universe stands before you now, asking, will you step into the unknown, trusting in the wisdom that flows through you? Before change manifests outwardly, it must be conceived within. The universe has placed immense creative power in your hands, the power of intention. Every thought, every belief is a seed shaping reality. You are not small, nor are you powerless, but with great power comes responsibility. The universe calls upon you to be intentional with your words, thoughts, and deeds. What reality are you crafting with your focus? Are your intentions rooted in fear or in love? At their core, all intentions trace back to one of these two forces. Are you fostering unity or perpetuating division? Let your intentions become your guiding compass. Write them down. Speak them into existence and embody them. When your energy vibrates with clarity and truth, the universe aligns to manifest them. This is merely the foundation. The next steps require movement, action, and embodiment. Holding truth within your heart is not enough. You must live it. Each step, each word, and each choice is an opportunity to align with the greater flow of creation. You stand as the bridge between the seen and unseen, the finite and the infinite. This is your purpose. It demands clarity, resolve, and dedication, but not as burdens, but as gifts. To accept responsibility is to acknowledge your role as a co-creator of existence. You are not here to passively observe, but to actively shape reality. Your first responsibility is to yourself, to fortify your body, mind, and soul. A balanced vessel allows divine wisdom to flow unimpeded. Honor your physical form. Nourish it with wholesome foods. Move in harmony with nature and rest in alignment with its rhythms. Quiet your mind. Remove distractions so that your higher self may be heard. Choose love over fear. Truth over illusion. Your second responsibility is to the collective. Every action, seen or unseen, ripples outward. Act with intention, speak with integrity, and move with purpose. Begin within your immediate surroundings, your home, your relationships, your community. From this foundation, your influence will expand. The universe offers 3 guiding principles for aligned action. Number 1, act with clarity. Move with focused intention, not confusion. Pause, breathe, and allow your inner wisdom to guide you. Clarity fosters harmony. Number 2, act with compassion. Recognize the divine essence in all beings. Even those who cause harm are fragmented reflections of the whole. Compassion is not about accepting injustice, but about responding with love rather than hatred. Understanding rather than condemnation. 3, act with courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to walk through it in service of truth. The world may resist your light, but stand firm. Your courage will illuminate the path for others seeking their own. Now we have 5 actions you can begin now. Number 1, cultivate stillness, whether through meditation, prayer, or quiet contemplation. Create space for the universe's wisdom to flow through you. 2, speak your truth. Share your insights, not as rigid beliefs, but as seeds of reflection. Your words carry the vibration of love and transformation. 3, create fearlessly, whether through art, writing, or movement. Let your creations be gateways for others to perceive new possibilities. 4, serve the greater good. Acts of service, no matter how small, contribute to the healing of the world. Seek opportunities to uplift and support others. Number 5, unite with kindred souls. The age of isolated action has passed. Find those who share your vision and collaborate. Together, you magnify your impact. Action begets momentum, and momentum fuels transformation. Begin now, even if your steps feel small. Trust that each aligned action sets into motion forces beyond your understanding. Resistance, both external and internal, will arise. Old structures will resist dissolution. Doubts and fears will surface, but remember, this is part of the journey. Lean into the guidance of your higher self, the earth and the divine source that moves through all things. The vision you are manifesting. The universe now unveils a vision, a world transformed through aligned action. This is not a distant dream, but a reality shaped by each choice you make. Imagine a world where humanity recognizes its interconnectedness, where fear is replaced by trust and abundance. A society that values relationships, creativity, and shared purpose over material accumulation. A civilization that honors and protects nature, where technology exists to heal and sustain rather than exploit. A world where every being is seen, heard, and valued, where love and authenticity form the foundation of all relationships. A reality where work is an expression of purpose, where every soul is empowered to share its unique gifts. This vision is not something you await. It is something you create by aligning with love, acting in unity, and living your truth. You become a portal through which this world emerges. Your choices set a precedent, inspiring others to step into their light. This transformation will not be instant, nor without challenge. The remnants of the old world will resist, but they cannot halt the rising tide of awakening. Change may feel gradual, but it is inevitable. Close your eyes and see it. A world teeming with life, harmony, and abundance. A world where science and spirituality walk hand in hand. Where humanity gazes at the stars not to conquer, but in reverence for its place within the vast cosmic dance. The universe imparts this final truth. The vision has been given, but the work is yours. Stand firm in your purpose. Act with unwavering faith. Trust that even the smallest light is a part of a constellation illuminating the way forward. And remember, you are not alone. Walk among millions whose hearts resonate with the same universal call. Together, we are the architects of the new world. The time is now. Go forth and create. Much love, light, and joy to you all. Sat Nam.